Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to another video of Sports on Fauzan Harun channel. And in this video, we are going to preview the game between Newcastle United and Chelsea. And the Premier League is back again after an international break, which featured so many games involving the nationalities of the respective players of the respective clubs of Europe and the world at large. Once again, we welcome all the teams back to their respective league, home leagues. In tonight's edition, I'm going to take opportunity to talk a little bit about the Newcastle versus Chelsea preview, which is coming on Saturday, the 21st of November 2020. And if this happens to be your first time of engaging with me on this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button by touching the notification, and also touch the notification bell, and then give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the presentation. Most importantly, share the program for your friends and other football fans to also join in the celebration. And also do let me know in the comment box what you feel about the video, or what you feel about the presentation, anything that you think we should add to the programs on Fauzan Harun channel. And before a club plays another team, we have to make sure we itemize the threats that the team is coming to face Chelsea with. And the threat coming along with Newcastle is that this season they have already won against West Ham United, Burnley, and then Everton. West Ham and for that matter, Everton are having a good run of form. Maybe Burnley is not doing that well as predicted. And then also they've drawn against Wolverhampton Wanderers and Tottenham Hotspur. Yeah. In Tottenham Hotspur, even in the game against Tottenham Hotspur, I watched that game in which Jose Mourinho was furious that a last-minute injury time penalty was awarded to Newcastle United. So they held Tottenham Hotspur at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. They held them to a 1-1 draw game. And Chelsea is set to miss Thiago Silva, which is going to be vital. And hopefully, I know we have strength in depth and quality replacement in possibly Azpilicueta to fill in the void for Thiago Silva. And also Kai Havertz has recovered, but it's not that much fit. And Christian Pulisic has not even been part of our plans, as in Chelsea plans, for the last 3 or 4 games that we've played. And so the fans of Chelsea are even getting used to missing Christian Pulisic, though I'm not saying it's not important. He's an important asset for Chelsea, I know, but we are getting used to missing him because he's turning out, God forbid, he's proving to be injury prone, which I don't like to describe, because if Pulisic is injury prone, he's going to hurt Chelsea a lot, but he's proving to be injury prone. But when he comes in 1-2 and he goes back, hence exhibiting the characteristics of injury prone players, though I know he is a weak player in terms of strength, unlike he's not in the group of class of ACN, Drogba, Cristiano Ronaldo, and the Messi, who almost always are available for any games that are presented before them. And then Timo Werner could also be the first Chelsea player to score in 5 successive games since Didier Drogba did that record in November 2009. So Timo Werner will likely, hopefully, count on his luck to also emulate Didier Drogba's record. And this game is also a must-win game for Chelsea, as I always say with all Chelsea games. A must-win because we should aim for the title. Though Lampard is keeping he's keeping grounded and also not being complacent. He's keeping his foot on the ground. He's keeping his foot grounded on the title assault. And though I think Chelsea has got the capability to launch the title assault ever since we signed Edouard Mendy. And talking of Edouard Mendy, he's making so many records in the Europe and England as well. And he's been named by Football Faithful, a sports online article, as one of the top 5 goalkeepers in Europe. I have done a whole lot about Edouard Mendy so far, being the best EPL goalkeeper. If you've not watched the show, please do well to visit the previous show on this channel, same channel, to watch that Edouard Mendy show video that I put out the last time out. I uploaded the last time out, and there's been so many probable lineups that are coming up, and one from Sportsmole that I would like to look at, sportsmole.co.uk. They have for Chelsea Edouard Mendy in post, James Rees, Chilwell. They have Zuma, and then they put Christensen. For there I will differ with them. They put Rudiger, Chilwell, Kovacic, Kante, Mount, Ziyech, Abraham, and then Werner. I will go with the same lineup, with the exception of maybe Rudiger. I will put in Azpilicueta in the place of Rudiger there. And then my prediction is Chelsea 4, Newcastle 0. Possible goal scorers are Timo Werner, Tammy Abraham, Abdul Hakim Ziyech, and then Mason Mount. The surprise possible goal scorers will be Kurt Zouma and then Benjamin Chilwell. Hopefully Benjamin Chilwell is fit for the game after picking up a back slight knock in a game involving England and Belgium. And then another clean sheet for Mendy is predicted. So let me look at some screen display before I try to wrap up the show, because it's a preview, and you know, as normally associated with preview videos, I don't spend so much time on them. So let me do some screen display here. We have the match logos there, Newcastle and then Chelsea there for you, and then yeah, that's Callum Hudson-Odoi and a Newcastle player there, the Premier League, Newcastle versus Chelsea. There's still the preview there. And then Lampard, they're still on the preview. Newcastle, and then last time Timo Werner said we are fighting for the title, and I do agree with him. We have the quality to do so. And then still the preview for the game. And then this is some of the lineup that even another tabloid came out with. And then you see for Newcastle United, Matt Dalot there, Shah, Jamal Lescalis, Fernandes, Lewis, Hayden, S. Longstaff, Murphy, Almiron, Wilson, Saint Maxim. And I know typical of Newcastle games, they will be defending so much. That's what they did against Tottenham Hotspur, and then caught them on the break and had a penalty there. So Chelsea should be watchful of that. So we have, in as much as we try to attack more, we have to be cautious as well in midfield and in defense for that matter. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. If you are joining me now late, hit the subscribe button and touch the notification bell. Most importantly, you share the program for others to also join. The likes are not coming. Please, the likes, give me thumbs up if you enjoy the show. Likes are not coming. Give me likes to boost the channel. You want this channel, if you love the channel and you love me, please do it for me. If you love the channel and you love me, please do it for me. And do let me know in the comment box. Do let me know in the comment box what you feel about the show, especially this video. Thank you very much for spending your precious and opportunity to engage me in this video. There's nothing I can say except to say, may God bless you for doing it. God bless you 1,000-fold for doing that for me. Thank you very much. Cheers. I love you all wherever you are. Bye-bye.